Hey, Steve Basic Architect. Yeah, let's take a little tour. We're out here with the Heritage Foundation. Figured we'd take a little outdoor tour. You can see here, there's this balcony on the second floor, a bunch of cantilevered logs. You can see the exterior bracing there. Absolutely incredible. And you know, if I see a sign that says no entry, you know what that means. It means I'm going in. Yeah, let's check this out. These older windows. Absolutely incredible. We'll go down one side and then walk up the other, and we'll go in and check out the window shop. So, some old windows that they're rehabbing, but check this out. Yeah, over 300 years old. Absolutely wild. And of course, the balcony. Look at the old hardware. Old wooden door. Look at the wear on the handle. Absolutely incredible. So cool. And this is one of their carpentry shops. Why don't we pop in there and see what's going on? All right, so we're going to step inside here. This is one of the carpentry shops where they actually replicate a bunch of the things. Look at the door they're making. They're making some windows. But, you know, as impressed as I am with the stuff that they're making, look at the stuff they're making it with, right? So this little workbench, literally bench. And then this is absolutely incredible. It's a giant clamp with a wood screw. There. And some old sawhorses. And again, wood screw. And then you have this table that has a number of different vices, scrapers, these tools. And he just told me they make all of these hand tools. And, you can see they have a window in the works there, but over here they have a old scraper there, clamps, and then they're making some windows here. So they don't buy anything, they make it all. You can see all of the different joinery, different tools they have here. And this was pretty interesting. They actually have a library of all of the different profiles that they found in the building here. So they have some type of reference to what these pieces look like and how they go together. And then of course, just a number of different tools, some pretty cool old saws there. And then of course, the toolbox. Just very, very cool tour. So, Steve Basic Architect from the wood shop. You know, a stroll down one of the back alleys of Bergen. This is pretty cool. The porch there. So these are roughly 1700s buildings here. They use them as little shops and such now. So it's very cool. All the bracing, the old doors. I know it's just a quick walk down the street here, or back alley, but so cool. Like I said before, I wonder if the gents putting this all together realized that 300 years later, someone would be walking down through here with a video camera, still admiring their work. Absolutely incredible. These exterior braces are pretty wild. Bolted in kind of as almost like little counterforts to the wall. Also notice that that wall is leaning inboard. It's very, very interesting. All right, back out to the real world.